A day will come when getting up from a chair will seem a little harder than before. A few months later, climbing stairs will tire you out faster, and before you know it, even a short walk in your neighborhood park will feel like a huge effort. But this doesn't happen only because of age. It's called muscle mass loss. It's a slow, gradual, and completely silent process that often goes unnoticed even by doctors themselves. The truth is that our legs are usually the first to weaken as the years pass. When that happens, your balance decreases, you gradually lose your independence, and the risk of falls increases a lot. And a fall at a certain age can change a person's life forever. But there's great news. It's still not too late. You can start strengthening your legs today, right from your kitchen table. Because while exercise is important, what you eat can be just as effective, sometimes even more powerful than exercise itself. Today we're going to learn about 6 scientifically proven foods that can help keep your legs stronger, more flexible, and full of energy. Foods you probably already have at home, but that you may not be using the right way. If you want to be able to walk with ease, climb stairs without getting tired, and maintain your independence for many more years, don't miss this video. Stay with us until the end, because food number 1 is probably already in everyone's kitchen, but almost nobody uses it the right way. And this food is one of the most powerful that exists for protecting and strengthening the legs. Before we start, I'd love for you to write in the comments how old you are and which country you're from. It's an honor to be here with you, and I want us to communicate better. Let's get to it. I prepared a list of foods ranked from the smallest to the greatest effect. Any one of them could be exactly what your muscles need. Now we begin with number 6, sweet potato. Number 6, sweet potato. Sweet potato is different from regular potato. It's the fuel that moves your legs. When it comes to keeping legs strong and steady, energy is everything. But not all energy sources are equal. Some foods give energy for a short time and then leave you tired and without strength, as if someone had flipped off a switch. Sweet potato, on the other hand, offers stable and lasting energy for your muscles, keeping you active for hours. It helps you walk with ease, climb stairs, and stay on your feet all day long. As the years go by, our muscles can no longer store and use energy as well as before. That's why simple tasks, like carrying groceries from the market, climbing a small hill, or walking a few blocks become harder over time. Sweet potato solves this problem in a completely natural way. It's rich in complex carbohydrates that give your body sustained energy, without suddenly raising blood sugar, and without that energy crash you feel in the middle of the day. Inside its orange flesh there's vitamin A, potassium, and anti-inflammatory compounds that repair small muscle injuries, prevent cramps, and keep the body's movements smooth and fluid. Vitamin A speeds up muscle recovery and reduces pain after exertion. Potassium regulates muscle contraction and keeps tissue well hydrated. Chronic inflammation is another hidden thief of muscle strength. It slowly destroys fibers without you noticing. The beta-carotene in sweet potato fights this damage and helps keep your legs flexible and pain-free. Even the gut plays an important role here. The natural fiber in sweet potato improves digestion and nutrient absorption, ensuring your muscles get the fuel they need to work well. You can eat sweet potato baked, mashed, or added to soups and salads. Its sweet, smooth flavor goes with almost any meal, and with every bite, it helps your legs get stronger and go further, step by step. Number 5, oats. Now number 5, oats. Most people see oats as just a simple, cheap breakfast, but for older people, this food is one of the best sources for strengthening leg endurance and keeping energy active throughout the day. If your legs get tired in the middle of the day or feel heavy and weak when climbing stairs, oats can help you solve this problem naturally and without complications. As the years pass, our muscles can no longer maintain endurance as before. This happens because the body becomes less efficient at regulating blood sugar and distributing energy. Oats, thanks to their slow-absorbing carbohydrates, offer steady, lasting fuel for the muscles, without sudden energy drops, without midday fatigue, just constant, calm strength for walking, doing housework, working in the garden, and carrying out the activities you enjoy most. But oats don't just give energy, they also help with muscle recovery. Each serving contains plant protein that repairs and maintains muscle fibers, those fibers that weaken with age. The result is better balance, stronger legs, and greater stability when moving. Oats are also rich in iron and magnesium, two nutrients many older adults lack without knowing it. Iron carries oxygen to the muscles, magnesium relaxes them and prevents cramps, stiffness, and that feeling of heavy legs. If you've ever woken up in the middle of the night with a sudden leg cramp, the cause was probably a lack of magnesium, and the magnesium in oats can help solve this problem naturally, without medication, without complications. Oats also improve blood circulation, keeping vessels open and flexible, and allowing oxygen and nutrients to reach the leg muscles faster. You can eat oats warm in the morning, in smoothies, or as an afternoon snack, whichever you prefer. What matters is including it regularly in your week. Number 4, avocado. Number 4, avocado. Avocado isn't just a trendy food, it's one of the best natural ingredients for maintaining strength, flexibility, and reducing leg pain as the years go by. Over time, stiffness and cramps begin to appear, that dull pain when getting out of bed in the morning, the stiffness in the legs after sitting for a long time, that discomfort in the knees that seems to have no explanation. Many of these discomforts are caused by chronic inflammation that gradually wears down our muscles and joints without us noticing. Avocado fights this process in a completely natural way. This wonderful fruit is rich in monounsaturated fats, healthy fats that reduce inflammation, protect muscle tissue, and keep joints smooth and flexible. The result is less stiffness, less pain in the legs and joints, and more freedom of movement in your daily life. But the benefits of avocado don't stop there. It's an extraordinary source of potassium, a mineral essential for proper muscle contraction. In fact, avocado has more potassium than banana, which directly helps prevent cramps, spasms, and that nighttime leg stiffness that's so bothersome. If you've ever woken up at dawn with a painful calf cramp, a lack of potassium was probably the cause. Avocado also contains vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that repairs small damaged areas in the muscles, reduces fatigue, and maintains muscle strength over time. Its healthy fats also improve circulation, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach the legs, which translates into more energy and greater capacity for movement. You can eat avocado on a slice of bread, in smoothies, in salads, or simply plain with a little salt, pepper, and a few drops of lemon. The secret is regularity. If you include it often in your week, you'll soon notice your movements become smoother, cramps decrease, and your legs feel more alive and light. Number 3, berries. Number 3, berries. Aging is inevitable, but losing physical strength is not. Every day, our muscles face invisible enemies, such as free radicals, oxidative stress, and silent inflammation. You may not see them, but you feel their effects. Stiff knees in the morning, sore legs after light activity, persistent fatigue with no clear explanation. This is where berries come in. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are some of the most powerful natural protectors that exist for muscles. These fruits are rich in antioxidants that act as a shield for your legs. They fight oxidative stress, reduce muscle damage, and speed up the recovery process after exertion. The more you consume them, the more resilient and youthful your muscles will remain. Berries also reduce chronic inflammation, that silent factor that causes joint stiffness and leg pain. Their high vitamin C content stimulates collagen production, essential for the strength and flexibility of muscles, tendons, and joints. And they don't just protect, they also give energy. By improving blood circulation, they increase the oxygen supply to the leg muscles. Fatigue decreases, recovery happens faster, and as an extra benefit, the same antioxidants that protect your muscles also strengthen memory and concentration. Your mind stays as active and alert as your body. You can add a handful of berries to oats in the morning, to yogurt, to a smoothie, or simply eat them fresh as fruit between meals. They're sweet, delicious, and easy to find at any market or fair, and with every bite you're feeding the strength and vitality of your legs from within. What you just saw is only a small part of what proper nutrition and habits can do for your health after 60. In the book, Health After 60, I explain how to use common foods to help with muscle strength, circulation, memory, and overall well-being. If you want to see all of this in detail, the link is in the description. But before moving on to the last two foods, which are very important, I need to ask you something. If you've enjoyed this content so far, please like the video and subscribe to Lynn's channel to receive more health tips every week and learn how to stay active and strong after 60. How has your health been lately? Tell us in the comments. We really want to hear about your experience. Let's continue. Number 2, salmon. Number 2, salmon. Every time you get up, walk, or climb stairs, the muscles in your legs support the weight of your entire body. But as the years pass, the body's ability to regenerate muscle decreases significantly. That's why legs can become weaker or tire more quickly. Number 2, salmon. Number 2, salmon. Every time you get up, walk, or climb stairs, the muscles in your legs support the weight of your entire body. But as the years pass, the body's ability to regenerate muscle decreases significantly. That's why legs can become weaker or tire more quickly. It's something millions of people experience without knowing exactly why. This is where salmon makes a real difference. This fish is one of the most powerful foods for recovering and maintaining muscle strength. It's rich in high-quality protein that provides the nutrients needed to repair and maintain muscle fibers. But its true secret lies in its omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats reduce inflammation, improve blood circulation, and protect joints from stiffness and pain. Inflammation is one of the main causes of weakness and slow recovery in older adults. The omega-3 in salmon slows this process and helps legs move with more ease and freedom. It also gives flexibility to blood vessels, allowing oxygen and nutrients to reach the muscles more efficiently. More energy, a feeling of lightness, and faster recovery after any effort. Salmon also supports the nervous system, so that your movements are more precise and balanced. The B-complex vitamins, especially vitamin B12, which is abundant in this fish, help convert food into clean, usable energy for the body. You don't need to eat salmon every day. With 2 or 3 servings a week, you can already notice an important difference. You can grill it, bake it, or even eat it canned with a little olive oil and lemon. It's versatile, affordable, and extraordinarily beneficial for your legs. If you don't have easy access to fresh salmon, you can also consider omega-3 supplements. But remember, food works best when combined with movement. Even light leg stretches, short walks around your neighborhood, or simple seated exercises help these foods work faster and more effectively. Food is the body's fuel, but movement activates that fuel. The two together rebuild your legs from within and keep you strong, stable, and independent for many more years. Number 1, eggs. And finally, we've reached number 1 on our list. The most powerful food of all for strengthening the legs and every muscle in the body. If you ask any nutrition expert what the most complete and powerful food is for strengthening muscles, almost all of them will give the same answer: eggs. This small, simple, affordable food found in almost every kitchen. Each egg is a complete package of nutrients that muscles need to stay strong, stable, and active as the years go by. With aging, muscles are lost faster than they regenerate. This process is called sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss. You may notice it in slower movements, in legs that tire faster, or in an overall feeling of weakness you didn't have before. Eggs, with their high-quality protein and 9 essential amino acids, help reverse this. They are exactly the building blocks muscles need to repair and stay strong. Eggs are also a natural source of vitamin D, which not only supports bone health but also muscle strength and coordination. Vitamin D deficiency is very common in older people and can cause fatigue, weakness, and balance problems. 1 or 2 eggs a day can help restore it naturally, without expensive supplements. In the yolk of each egg, there's also a substance called choline, which allows nerves and muscles to communicate quickly and smoothly. This means faster reactions, steadier steps, and better movement control in every daily activity. Eggs are also rich in B-complex vitamins, antioxidants, and healthy fats that protect muscle cells and maintain steady energy throughout the day. You don't need to eat many eggs every day. 1 or 2 eggs a day is more than enough. You can prepare them as an omelet with vegetables, or however you like best. What matters most is consistency. Including them in your daily routine will help you maintain balance, safety, and strength with every step you take. Because sometimes the simplest foods build the most solid foundations for our health. And in addition to all these foods, don't forget about movement. Light activity makes everything you eat have a much faster and more visible effect. Gentle leg stretches, A calm morning walk or simple seated exercises are already enough to activate these nutrients and speed up the muscle strengthening process. Food prepares the fuel, movement lights it. The two together keep you strong, stable, and independent for many more years. Quick review of the 6 foods. Let's do a quick review of the 6 foods we covered today. Sweet potato, which provides lasting energy and helps with fast muscle recovery. Oats, which offers sustained endurance and prevent painful cramps. Avocado, which reduces inflammation, increases flexibility, and protects against leg and joint pain. Berries, which repair muscle fibers and protect joints with their powerful antioxidants. Salmon, which rebuilds muscles, improves circulation, and restores energy to the legs. And eggs, the most complete food for leg strength, balance, and stability. These 6 foods work together as a natural defense system against weakness and muscle loss. Every meal that includes one or more of them brings you one step closer to having stronger legs, better balance, and more independence in your daily life. If you've ever felt heaviness, stiffness, or fatigue in your legs when climbing stairs or walking, I want you to know something important. It's still not too late. Your body still responds to what you give it. Starting today with consistency and patience, you may notice changes within just a few weeks. Lighter steps, more stable balance, renewed confidence in every movement you make. Frequently asked questions. Do you need to eat all 6 foods every day? No, not necessarily. You can combine and rotate them throughout the week, depending on what you have available and what you most enjoy preparing. What matters most is consistency. Including these foods, even in just a few meals a week, can already greatly increase the strength and energy of your legs. The best time to eat them is in the morning, because starting the day with nutritious foods provides long-lasting fuel for the muscles and stabilizes energy from early on. But if you prefer to eat them at lunch or dinner, that's great too. Your body benefits whenever it receives good nutrients, no matter the time of day. Can you eat all these foods together? Of course, many of them combine extraordinarily well with each other. Oats with berries in the morning, salmon with avocado at lunch. Nutrients work better together. Nutrition experts call this food synergy, and it's one of the reasons why a varied diet is always more powerful than taking a single supplement. If you've made it this far, it's because you care about your health and want to live with more quality. In the book Health After 60, I show how nutrition and simple habits can help restore energy, strengthen the body, improve memory, support circulation, and maintain independence for longer. These are practical changes using accessible foods and easy-to-follow guidance for everyday life. If you want to transform your routine in a simple and realistic way, click the first link in the description and check out the book. Before finishing, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 6 foods will you add to your meals this week? Tell us in the comments. Your experience could inspire other people to start today on the path to stronger legs and a more active life. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep moving, because every step you take is a step toward a longer, fuller life full of energy. I sincerely thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. If you enjoyed this content, give it a like, write the number 1 in the comments, and share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Lynn's channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos. Take very good care of yourself.